Hello friends, welcome back to Online Math Up. We're going to be solving this equation right here. You're seeing on the screen. Okay. So what we have is 4 power x minus 10 multiplied by 2 power x plus 16 is equal to 0. Okay, so we're going to be solving it, but just before we proceed, if you're new to our channel, do well to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and then of course we're going to proceed right into this video. So let me just write solution, and then we are gonna proceed. Let me write the question. This is 4 power x minus 10 multiplied by 2 power x plus 16 is equal to 0. So the first thing I want to do is actually to write this for, and I can write it as 2 power 2, and then I'll use the power to multiply the x, the exponent there. Okay, so this is 10 multiplied by 2 power x, and then of course plus 16 is equal to 0. Okay, so we can actually write this as 2 power x, and then I'll put out these two right here. It's still the same. If I use this to multiply x here, I'll be back with 2x minus 10 multiplied by 2 power x, then plus 16 is equal to 0. Okay, so next I'm actually going to set this 2 power x here to be equal to another variable, let's say m. Okay, so that it doesn't confuse us as we solve. So what I'm going to be having is m raised to the power of 2 minus 10 multiplied by m, okay, plus 16 is equal to 0. And then at this point, what I now have is m squared minus 10m plus 16 is equal to 0. Okay, so next what we just need to do is to find out the two factors of 16, that when you add those two factors, it's actually going to give you negative 10, and it is just negative 8 and negative 2. So once we found that, we just continue by writing m minus 8, and then of course multiply by m minus 2. Okay, and this is equal to 0. So at this point we can just apply the zero product rule, which of course implies that m minus 8 is equal to 0, or m minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, and of course in which case for this first one, m is equal to 8, or m is equal to 2. But then of course what we are looking for is the value of x, so we just go ahead to make some substitution. You just need to remember that we actually set 2 power x to be equal to m. Okay, so for m equal to 8, we can go ahead to find out the value of x. Okay, so what we now have is 2 power x is now equal to 8, which of course implies that 2 power x is equal to 2 power 3. Because they have the same base, we can actually cancel that and then equate the powers, which implies from here that x is actually going to be equal to 3. So this is the first value of x that is actually going to satisfy the problem we are solving. And then moving on, we continue to solve for the second value of x. So for m equal to 2, we also make the substitution 2 power x is equal to 2. Of course this 2 is also same as 2 power 1, and you can see that they have the same base, so obviously the powers are the same, which imply that x is equal to 1. So for x equal to 1 and x equal to 3, each of them is actually going to satisfy the problem we are solving. So you may actually want to find out whether that holds. You can just go ahead and check it out. Of course you can just do that quickly. So the question we just solved is 4 power x minus 10 multiplied by 2 power x, okay, plus 16 is equal to 0. So we want to find out whether this satisfies. So I'm actually going to go ahead to do that. So you just put the value of x for 1. Okay, so for x equal to 1, so what we now have is 4 power 1 minus 10 multiplied by 2 power 1, okay, plus 16. We want to find out whether this is actually going to be equal to 0. Okay, so this is 4 minus 20, okay, plus 16, and obviously you can see that this is equal to 0, so that holds. And then for x equal to 3, we also do same. 4 power 3, okay, minus 10 multiplied by 2 power 3 plus 16. We want to find out whether this is equal to 0. Let's say 4 power 3 is actually equal to 64, and then minus 10 times 2 power 3 is actually 8. Okay, so we want to find out whether this is equal to 0. Okay, so moving on, this is 64 minus 80, okay, plus 16. And of course, when you add 64 to 16, it's equal to 8, and 80 minus 18 will be equal to 0. So you can see that the two solution actually satisfy the problem we are solving. So thank you guys so much for watching. That is how you actually solve this kind of problem. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to our channel. I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Bye.